Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, honorable members of this august House are aware that in accordance with the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, with effect from 31st October 2019, the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir continues to be under the President's rule. The powers of the legislature of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir are exercised by or under the authority of the Parliament. After the historic transformative changes in August 2019, the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is poised to become the latest success story among other states, union territories, and model of socio-economic development for the country. The concept of one nation, one constitution, and one flag has been adopted in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. All unjust and discriminatory laws have been removed. Besides all the central laws as provided under the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 have been implemented. All sections of the people in Jammu and Kashmir are treated with fairness and equality. The weaker sections of the society have been given suitable reservations in seeking government jobs. The persons discriminated since ages like displaced persons of Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir and Chamb, West Pakistani refugees, residents of border areas, and Kashmiri migrants have been suitably empowered to get all the benefits. The domicile rules have been notified and domicile certificates are being issued. The jobs for local youth have been protected. Strengthening grassroots after successful implementation of 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act and conduct of Panchayat Urban Local Body District Council of Block Development Council elections, the main focus of the government is to empower these local body institutions with 3 F's: funds, functions, and functionaries. The government is providing rupees 1000 crore as a grant to 4290 gram panchayats, rupees 200 crore to 20 district development councils DDCs, at rupees 10 crore to each district development council, rupees 71.25 crore to 285 block development councils BDCs, at rupees 25 lakh to each block development council BDC, and rupees 313 crore to urban local bodies for initiating developmental activities in rural and urban areas. 27 functions have been transferred to panchayats and functions of 7 departments to urban local bodies. Nearly rupees 1727.50 crore have been devolved under Manrega, 14th Finance Commission Midday Meal Scheme and Integrated Child Development Scheme ICDS to the panchayats. Rupees 1455.62 crore have been devolved to urban local bodies in last 2 years. 1889 panchayat accounts assistants have been recruited. The objective of the government is to provide transparent, responsive, and accountable governance. The government of Jammu and Kashmir is focusing on unique initiatives of Back to Village, My Town, My Pride, Jan Abhiyan, and Block Divas for bringing government programs and initiatives at the doorsteps of the people. A massive public outreach program was conducted across Jammu and Kashmir with as many as 73 union ministers and various parliament committees visited all the districts for public interactions and gathered grassroots level feedback on government policies. Interactions were held with representatives of Panchayati Raj institutions, other important stakeholders from trade, industry, etc., over a period of 2 months, which is expected to improve governance and implementation of various developmental schemes and initiatives. The introduction of principles of financial prudence, transparency, and zero tolerance to corruption have revolutionized the project implementation and enhanced financial inclusion and social equity. Several important reforms have been undertaken to ensure transparency and accountability in the administration. Today, a fear-free, corruption-free system of governance has been established through a paperless, faceless procedural framework. No work is allotted without following tendering process and without having administrative approval, technical sanction. No bill is passed without geotagging of photographs through proof, photographic record of one site facility, application, and physical verification of works. Every single penny is now spent for the welfare of the people. With the help of empowerment, enabling monitoring and public overview of works being executed and resources for meaningful transparency, Jan Bhagidari as information technology enabled program, the common citizens of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir can overview works projects being implemented in their areas and become a partner in the process of development. Union Territory of J&K has become the first among states union territories in the country to have District Good Governance Index for assessing the efficiency of public delivery system at district level. This index is expected to foster transparency and accountability in the basic unit of governance and fulfill the aspirations of citizens. Best practices are being identified in each district for replication in others. A historic initiative, Aapki Zameen, Aapki Nigrani, has been launched in which the scanned data of Jamabandi, Girdavari, Mutation and Musawi of all the 20 districts of the Union Territory of J&K have been made available to the common citizens. Taking another step towards empowerment of landowners, land passbooks have been issued in 3 languages. Jammu and Kashmir has emerged as a model for the entire country in the management of the COVID-19 pandemic. With 100% vaccination of the eligible population, Union Territory of J&K has crossed the 20 million vaccine dose mark. The vaccination in respect of 15 to 17 age group has been started all across the Union Territory and 100% target will be achieved soon. Oxygen generation plants have increased by 87 with 90,300 liters per minute LPM capacity addition to 500 bedded hospitals were set up by DRDO in Jammu and Srinagar to fight COVID-19 pandemic. Government of Jammu and Kashmir has introduced Saksham scheme for the families who have lost their only breadwinner due to COVID. Under the said scheme, scholarship of rupees 20,000 per annum is provided to school-going children and rupees 40,000 per annum to college-going students through direct benefit transfer (DBT), rupees 1,000 per month to surviving spouse and eldest dependent family member is also provided under the scheme. In the last 1.5 years, 11,000 appointments have been made in various government departments in a fair and transparent manner, which was unprecedented in the history of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. For the first time, persons from disadvantaged and poor sections have secured jobs on the basis of merit, turning their dreams into reality.